Hello everyone, welcome back to the IT Academy. Today I'm going to show you how to turn plain data into a professional looking table in Excel in just a couple of clicks. Let's get started. There are three ways to create a table in Excel, and creating a table in Excel is quite easy because the information is already organized in the form of rows and columns. So to create the table, let's use the first method. You highlight the entire range where you have the information and you go to the Insert tab. Click on Insert tab and then you click on Table. So I click on Table, Insert Table, and it gives me this pop-up menu. So what is it asking for here? It's trying to confirm if I'm okay with the range that I've selected. So I'm okay with that range. And it also wants to know if my table has headers. So it has headers. That is name, employee number, department, and others. So that is okay. And then I just click OK. Table is created. Nice looking table. So let me undo. The second method is you also highlight the entire range and you go to the styles group. Make sure that you've clicked on the home tab and you go to the styles group and select format as table. You see, it gives you a whole lot of options. So let's select this one. I click on this and it asks me for the same information it asked for in the first method, the range and also if I have headers. So I just click OK. It also creates the same table for me. Now let me show you the last method. It is actually a shortcut. When you highlight the entire range, you press Ctrl T, Ctrl plus T, and then it also asks you the same question, and then you click OK. Yes, so all three methods end up at the same points with the creation of a table. So once we've created the tables, what else can we do? First of all, we can add a formula here to sum it up. And to do that, we need the Table Design tab. Once you create a table, an additional tab is created. When you highlight or when you click inside the Table Design tab appears. When you click outside the table, it's gone. So let's click inside and then we click on the Design Tools. You see, these are things that we can do to our tables. First of all, you can decide to change the table design. We chose one design here. You click here and then there are so many options here for you to select. Let's click on this one. You see it. And then the next thing we can do is to add a rows total. We want to total or sum the rows here. Click on total row. It's going to add one more row here. You see it's total and it sums it up. This is a sum of all these numbers. Okay, so that is that. And then also you want to know why these buttons are here. These are the filter buttons. It makes it possible for you to filter data on your table. Filtering data simply means temporarily hiding certain rows and displaying only those that meet a certain criteria. Let's look at this example. We have here department. I'm going to click on department and select or deselect everything. I want only those in the administration department to be displayed. So I click on administration and I click OK. You see that all the other people who are not in administration, they're no longer showing, but that is temporary. We can bring them all back. To do that, simply click back on the same button and then you select all and it comes back again. Let's do the same thing. Let's apply this to city. Let's say we have people living in Manila, New York, Accra, Mumbai, Manila. Okay. I want to display only those who live in Manila. I click on the city button and it displays all the cities here. all the cities in this range. So I'm going to deselect, and then I select Manila and click OK. It's only those in Manila that will appear. Okay, so that is filtering data. I have a complete video on how to filter data in Excel. I'm going to put a link to the video in the description. You can check it out. It's a comprehensive video about how to filter data in Excel. So I want to bring back everybody now. So I click on city and select all, and I click. So that is it. You see that every record is being displayed. And so that is it. Creating tables in Excel. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like this video and share with a friend. Subscribe to the IT Academy and check out my other Excel tutorials. Thanks for watching.